In this video, I'm going to do a review of the Franklin Planner storage case and sleeve combo. Hi everyone, my name is Tonya. I make videos on practical planning, organization, and small business. Hi, are you watching from Facebook? If so, please head over to my Facebook page, Tonya Plans Franklin Covey Blogger, and like and follow me there. Are you watching from YouTube? If so, hey, hi! Please be sure to like this video and subscribe. And are you on Instagram? If so, please follow me at Tonya_plans. I want to thank the Franklin Planner team for sending me this item to review. All of the items shown in this video can be found on the Franklin Planner website. Also, you can save money by using discount promo code TONYAPLANS. So if you ever wonder what you get when you purchase the storage sleeve and case combo, I'm about to answer that question. This combo set is in the burgundy color. It comes in different colors, but I normally choose the burgundy color because it looks so professional, and I'm going to give you a close-up of this. Now this burgundy color reminds me of that burgundy that you see in lawyers' offices. You know how they have the lawyers' books on the bookshelf, and they're like beautiful leather-bound books. I don't really know what's in those books, but it just looks so professional and nice looking. This is how the spine looks on the sleeve, and this is the back, and there's a tag there. So you get this storage sleeve, and then you get the case. So when you pull it out like this, you're able to put your excess planner pages in here, and it comes with 2 rings, and it also comes with a list of pre-printed yearly stickers. So what most people do is they take these stickers, like let's say you're storing planner pages for 2020, you can just stick it here in this area right here, and it is embossed in gold, as well as how this is embossed in gold, the Franklin Covey, and this is the Franklin Covey sign embossed in gold as well. And it looks very, very nice, very, very professional. So when you have this on your bookshelf, oh, and Franklin Covey is embossed here on the spine, it will look like this. Your year will be here. I'll turn it a little bit. Your year will be here, and this is how it will look on your bookshelf. Very, very professional. Now what I use these for is I put old planner pages in these storage books, and my new planner pages. So for example, for 2020, these are my planner pages for 2020, and I have the daily planner pages, so I get quite a bit of them. These are the daily planner pages. It's a day on 2 pages. So for every day, there are 2 pages, which makes a lot of planner pages. So I don't want to walk around with all of these in my main planner binder. That would be too heavy to carry, but what I want to do is store them in my storage case. So I'm going to go ahead and put these in my storage case. Now the good thing about this storage binder is that the way these rings are shaped, it allows for you to store many pages. And I want to show you up close here. And what's important with binders are, to me, what's important are the rings and that they're tight. And these rings are tightly closed. So there's quality there, because you don't want planner rings that are gapped open. So that looks very, very good. Now I have the storage binder that is in the compact size. These binders also come in other sizes. This is how it looks from the top. This is how it looks from the side and the bottom. And let me get the storage sleeve. And it fits perfectly in there like this. As you can see, you have these dents here, and this is so that you can use your fingers to pull it out with these. So next I'm going to use the planner stickers for the year and put them here on the side of the binder so we'll know what is in this binder. I probably wasn't the straightest person in the world with this, but just to give you an idea, this is how it would look. So on your bookshelf it would match. The gold from the year would match the gold embossed on the sleeve. I hope you found this video helpful. Please be sure to like this video. This is Tonya helping you feel more organized so this can be your best year yet. Take care.